Think you know cars? A massive 95% of drivers get completely ripped off at the mechanic simply because they can't spot a fake repair bill. Welcome to the Ultimate Car Repair Cost Quiz. We have 18 mind-blowing questions lined up for you today. We're starting off with a few easy ones to warm you up, but brace yourself. Question number 10 is an absolute trap that almost everyone gets wrong. If you can survive to the end without screaming at how expensive these bills are, you're officially a master mechanic. Let's see how much money you've been throwing away. Let's go! First up, round 1. These are the quick common fixes every single driver should know. Let's see if you can get a perfect score here. The correct answer is A. A loose gas cap alters the pressure inside your fuel tank, triggering an emissions error code. It's the #1 cause of check engine lights and costs absolutely nothing to fix. Here is your insider tip. If your check engine light pops on right after you leave a gas station, pull over safely and click the gas cap until it's tight. Drive for 20 to 30 miles and the computer will turn the light off completely for free. The correct answer is B. A standard professional front brake pad axle service ranges from $150 to $300 depending on your vehicle's size. Listen to this tip. Never let a shop charge you premium rates for basic metallic pads. If you hear a high-pitched metal squealing noise when braking, swap the pads immediately before they grind into your rotors and double your repair bill. The correct answer is A. Most of the time, the tiny spray nozzles are just clogged with wax, polish, or dirt from driving. Don't buy a new pump yet. Here's your tip. Take a simple sewing needle or safety pin, poke it gently into the nozzle hole to clear out the debris, and test it again. Total cost, $0. The correct answer is A. Swapping out an oxygen sensor is a very straightforward job, typically ranging between $150 and $300. Pay close attention to this tip. Don't let a mechanic tell you a bad O2 sensor code means you need a whole new exhaust system or engine rebuild. It is usually just a simple, plug-and-play electronic sensor fix. The correct answer is A. Replacing a noisy pulley or tensioner bearing is relatively quick, costing roughly $100 to $200. Here's a crucial tip. Unscrupulous shops might claim your whole air conditioning pump or steering pump is failing. Always ask them to spin the pulleys manually with the belt off to prove which one is actually noisy before buying parts. You survived the basics, but now we're stepping it up. Welcome to round 2. These repairs require actual shop tools, and this is where mechanics start padding the bill. Keep your eyes peeled. Correct answer is C. While basic plugs cost very little, modern engines often need fresh ignition coil packs and a diagnostic scan to clear bad engine codes properly, pushing the shop total to $200 to $500. Here's your tip. Changing standard spark plugs is one of the easiest automotive tasks you can complete at home with basic hand tools. Doing it yourself can save you up to $300 in shop labor fees. The correct answer is B. A single wheel bearing assembly replacement costs between $250 and $500 depending on the vehicle make. Don't ignore this tip. If your car sounds like a jet engine taking off when you speed up, it's likely a bad wheel bearing. Change it before the wheel locks up entirely or causes the wheel to separate from the car while driving. The correct answer is A. It looks terrifying, but a valve cover gasket sits right at the top of the engine and usually takes under 2 hours to fix, costing $150 to $350. Use this tip. Don't confuse a topside valve cover leak with a catastrophic bottom-side rear main seal leak. Clean the engine first to see exactly where the fresh oil originates so you don't overpay. The correct answer is A. A professional radiator swap alongside a full cooling system. Flush generally falls between $300 and $700. Here is a life-saving warning tip. Never open that blue cap on your coolant reservoir tank while the engine is hot. The system is highly pressurized and will spray scalding fluid everywhere. Let it cool down completely first. Stop right there. This is the big one. Question number 10 is the ultimate test, and it completely destroys everyone's winning streaks. Pay very close attention to the details on this next screen. Correct answer is C. Did we catch you? Run-flat tires have thick, reinforced rubber sidewalls designed to support the car for up to 50 miles at low speeds without air just to get you to safety. But driving that full distance completely destroys the tire's internal structure, making it unrepairable. And the extreme pushing it to the limit turns. Drop your score in the comments. If you made it past the trap, congratulations. Welcome to round 3. Remember this tip. If your dashboard battery light pops on while driving, your alternator is failing, not the battery. Turn off your radio, AC, and seat heaters immediately to preserve leftover electrical power so you can safely coast home. The correct answer is B. Fixing a snap control arm typically requires a brand new arm, ball joint assembly, and a mandatory wheel alignment, bringing the total to $400 to $900. Here's a massive money-saving tip. If a huge pothole damages your suspension, Document the scene instantly. Many city and state municipalities will fully reimburse your repair bill if the road damage was previously reported but left ignored. The correct answer is P. Replacing a standard hydraulic power steering pump averages between $250 and $500. Try this tip first. If your steering wheel whines loudly when you turn it, your power steering fluid is likely low or contaminated. Flush the fluid first. It might save you from buying a brand new pump. The correct answer is B. A standard mechanical water pump replacement averages $300 to $750. Here is an industry insider tip. On many modern vehicles, the water pump is driven directly by the internal engine timing belt. If your mechanic is already removing the timing belt for routine maintenance, always have them swap the water pump at the same time. It saves you from paying double labor costs later. The correct answer is B. Bending and routing custom replacement steel or copper-nickel hydraulic lines beneath a chassis routinely averages $400 to $900 at a dedicated brake specialty shop. Follow this preventative tip. If you live in an area where roads are salted during winter, rinse your car's undercarriage at a car wash at least once every 2 weeks to stop road salt from eating holes through your critical brake lines. This is it, the final gauntlet. Round 4, the boss levels. We are talking about the most expensive, wallet-killing automotive disasters known to man. If you get these right, you know more than most mechanics. The correct answer is C. Replacing a completely seized compressor demands high technical labor fees because the system refrigerant must be evacuated, flushed of metallic debris, and recharged, costing up to $1,500. Protect your wallet with this tip. Run your car's air conditioner for 5 to 10 minutes once a month during cold winter seasons. This keeps internal pump seals lubricated and prevents them from dry rotting. The correct answer is B. Modern direct injection systems require intense labor and precision calibrations to service, making a full set of replacement injectors highly expensive at $1,200 to $2,500. Avoid this headache with this tip. Cheap, unbranded fuel can cause rapid carbon buildup on injector nozzles. Sticking to high-quality fuel brands keeps your fuel system clean and protects you from an unexpected multi-thousand-dollar repair. The correct answer is C. This is a total engine disaster. In an interference engine, a snap timing belt causes the pistons to smash directly into the valves at high speed, completely destroying the engine. A scheduled preventative maintenance swap costs around $300. Let it snap, and you are looking at a $5,000 engine replacement case of a small fix turning into an absolute disaster. Make sure to check your manual and replace it preventatively between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. How many did you get right? If you manage to score a 14 or higher, your wallet is officially safe from shifty mechanics. Be sure to drop your final score in the comments below to prove your expertise to the community. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now so you never get ripped off on your next garage visit. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you in the next video.